Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use dual Wi-Fi and boost your internet speed on your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to do this, first of all open settings. Now in settings, click on Wi-Fi. Now here click on Wi-Fi assistant, and here you will see a dual Wi-Fi acceleration option. So click on this option and then turn on dual Wi-Fi acceleration button. So after turning on the button, here you will see the list of other networks. So click on the network to add it to your mobile. So after adding, you will be able to use dual Wi-Fi and boost your internet speed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.